What's going on, everybody? This is yours truly, the Forexrockstar. I'm at it again, guys. We are still at it. You see, that right now I'm showing you the Forexrockstar 250 challenge. Basically, it means that every one of my students who is in this particular group has got $250 in their account. All right. So last week we resumed. Everything is well. We resumed last week, and then the thing is this. I need to show you guys just a few results here and there. I'm not going to go through all the charts because some of the stuff I'll be sharing setups, and some of the stuff is tips that I teach. So I'll be reminding them basically. Now watch this. This is one of my students. As you can see, he says he's scalping because he's at work, and you see that his profit was $84 or $112 for the day. That was it. And I've got a couple more. See this one here is okay. This is a video actually I received. You see that the account is sitting at 346 US dollars, and he's sitting at a profit of 423 US dollars. That was 2 days or 3 days after we began the challenge. Let me play the video shortly. You see the profit on the top. Okay, I mean, it's basically, sometimes I don't have to share signals or stuff because but then the thing is this. I let them lean on my experience and my understanding of the market. That's what is. You see, again, is sitting at a profit of 58. Of course, was being more aggressive after closing the other profits. Okay, I can take you through a lot of setups and the stuff like that, but then that's not. What I, why am I showing you this? I'm showing you this because, I'm trying to show you the power of what I'm doing. I'm so confident enough that I can call people and say, let me trade with you for the 4 days of the week. Let me trade with you guys. I'm so confident in my setup because I know a lot of people who approach me. They claim we've been abused, we don't know anything, or some of them they say they've lost confidence in the market. So I let them lean on my experience and my understanding of the market. That in turn guarantees them, like profit, because I've been doing this thing now for a long time for me to see what is really going on in the market. I help them pull the trigger when I see it, and then they begin to build confidence. And after a while, you see them even sharing setups on their own and doing stuff on their own. I don't know anybody who does what I'm doing because sometimes I feel it's not enough to just teach people an approach to the market and you don't illustrate how they can eat from that. That's my confidence. I'm here to find somebody who is doing what I'm doing. There are people who say negative stuff on my YouTube channel and stuff like that. But then I really don't care because I'm focused on winning, and this is my team. They're winning. Everybody who is here had $250 in their account to begin with. You see what I mean? So there's nobody who's trading demo here. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, signing out.